Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here, and I'm very excited to announce yet another giveaway, and this time it is 2 cell phones. I did promise I'll ramp up some more giveaways, and I am partnering with Huawei to give away 2 Huawei Mate 10 Pros. Now this is a Father's Day themed giveaway, so don't forget Father's Day is this June. The winner will be selected right before Father's Day actually happens, and Huawei will ship 2 lucky people one of these phones. Maybe you're going to want to use it as a Father's Day present. Now, it's very simple to enter. All you really have to do is subscribe to the channel and follow Huawei on Facebook and Twitter. And that's it. And there's also some extra entries you can get. It's all linked down below through Gleam. Gleam will select 2 random winners. So just go ahead and click that link down below to enter. And here's a look at what 2 lucky people are going to win. This is the Huawei Mate 10 Pro, and it is still a competitive flagship phone out there right now. IP67 rated, so it does have dust and water resistance. Dual camera with optical image stabilization. Absolutely worth mentioning, it has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, and it's one of the best battery lives in any phone I have actually ever used. Its battery life is just fantastic on this phone, so you can expect that as well. So that is the Huawei Mate 10 Pro and the giveaway. So again, 2 lucky people are going to win. It does have the Kirin 970 processor, which does have AI technology, which will adapt to the scenario that you are taking a picture of, whether it be a dog, a person, landscape, all that good stuff. It has a bunch of different preset modes to make your photos look better. And of course, the Mate 10 Pro has the signature knuckle gestures that Huawei implements. So if you draw something with your knuckle, you could take a quick screenshot if you'd like to. Also, they have the option to actually just draw letters. So if I type a C in with my knuckle, the camera opens up, and you can customize these to your liking, of course. And then, of course, there is the one where you can swipe across the middle to quickly open up a split screen app. So that's just a fantastic knuckle gesture, and they work how they should. They don't activate when you're not using your knuckle, but they do activate when you are using your knuckle. So anyways, click that link below so you can enter to win one of these Huawei Mate 10 Pros. Again, nice Father's Day giveaway. Could use it as a present, or if you're a father yourself, maybe you could get yourself a nice present. So go ahead and click that link below. Thank you so much for all your support. We'll continue to do giveaways. And as always, guys, thank you very much for watching.